get home, okay? Keep on watching. Finally back home. I bring the meat out. I'm about to cut and shred them in little places, as in the nylon, so that whenever I want to cook, I will just pick one and use it to cook. Okay, let me show you guys the meat. It was not easy bringing it back to home. Okay, ciao guys, this is all the meat. In here we have meat, our body, towel, even fuku sef, cow leg, as in throat. What is it called again? It's only liver I did not get because I don't like liver. That's why I did not buy it. Yesterday I could not edit this vlog. I was just tired after wrapping all the meat, putting the fish together. You know, the stress was just so much for me. So I have to go to bed on time. So I said, let me end the vlog this morning. So if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe, okay? Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye.